Sculpt your lips with a velvety, long-wearing lipstick and get the hydrating benefits of a lip balm with the new Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lip Color by Rose Inc. Hi, my name is Muniza and I make beauty-related videos just like this one. So if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and come be a part of the Sass fam. This lip crayon lipstick comes in 6 shades and the shade that I got is called Beams, which on my skin looks like a pinky brown neutral depending on how many coats you apply. To apply it, just smooth it onto the lips like any lip crayon lipstick. And this is what one coat of the lipstick looks like and nothing on this side. For this side, I'll apply my lip liner before applying the lipstick on my lips. And this is what one coat looks like with the lip liner and without the lip liner. As I mentioned in my first impressions video, this lipstick not only applies like butter on the lips, but it also feels hydrating even though it is a matte lipstick. I'm just going to apply another coat to build up the vibrancy and the intensity of the color. And this is what 2 coats look like versus just 1 coat of the lipstick. And I'll apply another coat on this side as well. And this is what 2 coats look like with a lip liner and without a lip liner. I for sure prefer 2 coats of the lipstick because it gives my lips this intense burgundy color, which I think goes well with the rest of my makeup. But I would just apply 1 coat of the lipstick without a lip liner for everyday wear. Let's do a quick kiss test. You can see it transferred a bit onto the back of my hands. And let's also do a transfer test on a clean cotton round. Yep, it transferred onto the cotton round as well. But if you look up close, you'll see my lipstick isn't patchy, and even though it transferred, it didn't reduce the intensity or the vibrancy of the color. So it's been a couple of hours and the Rose Inc Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lip Color doesn't look like it faded even after eating. And then looking up close, you can see that the lipstick isn't bleeding or patchy. 10 hours later, the lip crayon lipstick, though it faded throughout the day, still looks great in my opinion, because if you look up close, you can see that even on the side that I didn't apply a lip liner, it isn't patchy and it didn't bleed either. My fan thoughts on the Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lip Color by Rose Inc is that for 35 Canadian dollars plus tax, I think it's worth it. And in terms of ratings, I'll give it 5 stars because in my opinion, this is a headache-free matte lipstick because it doesn't bleed even if you don't apply a lip liner, and even though it transfers, it 1 doesn't transfer on your teeth, and 2 it doesn't fade in terms of the intensity and the vibrancy of the lipstick shade, plus it's buildable and feels hydrating even after 10 hours. But if you don't like a matte lipstick, you can click here to check out my review on the KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick, or if you like the foundation that I'm wearing in this video, click here to check out my review on the KVD Beauty Good Apple Foundation Balm, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be a part of the Sass fam.